In this video, you'll learn how to indent text in Notion. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to create organized and structured content within your Notion pages, enhancing readability and presentation. Start by navigating to the Notion website, open a web browser and enter notion.so in the address bar. Once the page loads, you should see the Notion homepage, which features a clean interface with options to log in or create a new account. Next, if you are not already logged in, click on the login button located in the upper right corner. Enter your credentials to access your Notion workspace. After logging in, you will be directed to your main dashboard where you can see all your existing pages. Once you are on your dashboard, locate the Add a New Page option on the left sidebar. Click on this to create a new page. A blank page will appear, allowing you to start fresh with your content. After the new page is created, you will see a prompt that says Untitled at the top of the page. Click on this area to enter a title for your page. Type in a meaningful title that reflects the content you will be creating. Now, click on any blank space below the title on the new page. This will activate the text input area where you can begin typing your content. Once you have clicked in this space, a cursor will appear, indicating that you can start entering text. Begin typing the text you want to include in the document. As you type, you may want to organize your content into lists or hierarchies. To create an indented line, press Enter after completing your line of text. This action creates a new line underneath your previous text. After pressing Enter, press the Tab key on your keyboard to indent the new line. This will move the text slightly to the right, indicating a subpoint or subordinate content. Each time you want to indent a line, simply repeat pressing Enter followed by Tab. Continue this process for each line of text that you wish to indent. You can create multiple levels of indentation by pressing Tab for each new line. Be mindful of your content structure to ensure clarity and coherence in your document. If at any point you want to remove an indent, you can press Shift and Tab simultaneously to decrease the indentation level. This flexibility allows you to adjust your text layout easily. As you create your indented structure, remember that the overall organization contributes to a better understanding of the information presented. A well-structured document is easier to read and navigate. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.